So if you look at the internet today, large majority of internet traffic is largely automated. So from scraping of websites, from indexing websites, from doing queries, even if you look at AI use today, AI is now querying the internet at a rapid rate and leveraging consolidated information, making it something that users consume. We believe that same paradigm will translate to the usage of payments in the future as well. So today, payments is done by users. If you want to make a wire to a friend, you need to log into a bank account and make that payment directly. If I want to make a payment, or if I want to ultimately do something with money, I'm the one that's coordinating that. I'm the coordinator to a large degree. User is a coordinator to a large degree. In a world where we're going fully autonomous and fully agentic, we believe that same volume of the mass majority of internet traffic being run automated, the mass majority of payments infrastructure will be automated as well. So from when you make a tap payment to when you make a query and say, hey, order me a flight to Budapest and book me a hotel and book me a restaurant at the same time while I'm there, all these things will be what users can query an agent directly to do. And the job of an agent will be to describe the entire internet of services that are available and to make the intent of the user done possible and executed atomically on chain instantly. So in that world, majority of payments intent for users will be facilitated by agents. And in that world, you need, I believe Stripe estimate you need 1 billion TPS. And Sui is the only chain that's built to horizontally scale to the internet needs. In a world where you're going to have infinite number of agents, right? You need an infrastructure that scales to the level of internet. Internet infrastructure today, internet service providers have learned how to build infrastructure that horizontally scales with demand and supply. Layer ones previously to Sui, prior to Sui, only deal with fixed block size or fixed block space, which means fixed supply, and assuming fixed supply only. And demand is controlled by increasing price. So if more users need to send transactions, the network just puts a price up and search pricing and means I'm not going to pay $5 to send $5, right? In that world. So that doesn't work. As demand increases, supply also needs to increase. And Sui has an infinite supply of block space because it can scale horizontally and it can meet the demand that AI agents are ultimately going to need. So as I mentioned, in a world where agents are going to drive majority of internet traffic, especially drive majority of payments traffic, they're always going to choose the always available, cheapest instant rail of moving money. And that's always going to be Sui. It's not going to be another network that's designed to have fixed block spaces. Fees go up 500% when the network is busy. It's always going to be Sui because Sui will not have a surge in price when you're doing payments, no matter what's happening on the network, because it can supply more infrastructure to deal with some supply and demand disparity.